For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of humanity's greatest achievements, a silent machine drifting high above the Earth, rewriting our understanding of the cosmos one image at a time. When it launched aboard Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, few imagined just how profoundly it would change our perception of everything from distant galaxies to the worlds in our own backyard. Built to operate beyond the distortions of Earth's atmosphere, Hubble could see the universe with a clarity that ground-based observatories could only dream of. Stars sharpened into crisp points, galaxies revealed their spiraling arms, and nebulae blossomed into vivid clouds of gas and dust. The telescope's original mission was ambitious but focused: study the distant universe, explore ancient light, and uncover the structure of cosmic evolution. Yet over time, Hubble's role expanded far beyond these expectations, evolving into an unparalleled observer of our own solar system as well. With its stable orbit and ability to return to the same objects for years or even decades, Hubble provided astronomers with something no spacecraft flyby or short-term mission could offer: continuity. Missions to planets and moons are rare, expensive, and often brief. A probe may spend years traveling through space only to pass its destination in a matter of hours. But Hubble, circling Earth every 90 minutes, could simply turn its gaze toward the planets whenever needed, capturing long-term changes that would otherwise remain invisible. Suddenly, the solar system was no longer a static collection of planets but a living, shifting environment filled with storms, impacts, eruptions, and evolving climates. Of course, Hubble was not perfect. Its narrow field of view, designed to study distant objects, meant large nearby targets, especially the Moon, did not easily fit into a single frame. The Moon's disk appears too large for Hubble's detectors to capture at once, leaving detailed lunar mapping to missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Yet even with this limitation, Hubble still managed to contribute to moon science in ingenious ways. One of the most clever experiments took place during the 2012 transit of Venus. During the event, Venus passed directly between Earth and the Sun, a rare alignment that occurs only a few times per century. Staring directly at the Sun, however, would have risked destroying Hubble's sensitive instruments. So scientists used the Moon as a giant reflector. Sunlight filtered through Venus's atmosphere, bounced off the lunar surface, and then traveled back toward Hubble. By studying the narrow changes in that reflected light, astronomers identified chemical signatures in Venus's thick atmosphere, confirming the dominance of carbon dioxide and several trace gases. More importantly, the technique proved that astronomers could detect the atmosphere of a distant planet indirectly, an approach now widely used to study exoplanets orbiting faraway stars. Mars, on the other hand, was nearly ideal for Hubble's capabilities. From its vantage point above Earth, Hubble captured full-disk images showcasing Martian weather, shifting seasons, and planetary-wide phenomena. It documented the waxing and waning of its polar ice caps, chronicled the formation and dissipation of thin clouds drifting through the thin Martian atmosphere, and tracked the enormous dust storms that occasionally swallowed the planet whole. One of the most dramatic occurred in 2001 when Mars vanished beneath a global shroud of dust for months, leaving its familiar surface features completely obscured. Observations like these revealed that Mars is far more dynamic than once assumed, offering important information for both robotic missions and future human explorers who will someday face these volatile storms firsthand. Hubble's work extended to Mars's tiny moon Phobos as well. Phobos orbits so close to Mars that it circles the planet in just a little over 7 hours. Each year, tidal forces drag it slightly inward, slowly tightening its orbit. Calculations show that tens of millions of years from now, Phobos will likely break apart or crash into the Martian surface. The idea that Hubble can watch, in slow motion, the fate of a moon spiraling toward destruction reveals how patient and powerful long-term observations can be. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region where rocky remnants from the early solar system continue to drift in slow, silent orbits. These bodies represent the ancient building blocks that never succeeded in forming a planet, and Hubble has allowed scientists to examine them with unprecedented clarity. To the surprise of many, Hubble revealed that some asteroids behave like comets even though they contain very little ice. In several cases, sunlight striking an asteroid caused subtle but steady changes in its spin, eventually accelerating its rotation so much that loose material was flung outward, forming temporary tails or debris streams. This phenomenon, called rotational shedding, showed that many asteroids are not solid monolithic rocks but fragile, rubble piles, held together by little more than weak gravity. The telescope even captured the aftermath of a collision between two asteroids, revealing an X-shaped plume of debris expanding outward. The sight of such a recent, chaotic impact demonstrated that the asteroid belt remains an active, violent environment. Farther out, the immense planet Jupiter dominates the outer solar system. With its enormous gravitational pull, Jupiter acts as a cosmic gatekeeper, influencing the orbits of countless comets and asteroids. Its role as a protective giant became undeniably clear in 1994 when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with the planet. Torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, the comet arrived as a string of fragments that struck the atmosphere one by one. Hubble captured the impacts in extraordinary detail, revealing towering fireballs and dark scars larger than Earth itself. The event offered a rare glimpse into the destructive potential of cosmic collisions and demonstrated how Jupiter helped shape the solar system's long-term stability. Jupiter's auroras also captivated scientists. Far larger and more energetic than Earth's auroras, these brilliant displays form near the planet's poles as charged particles interact with its powerful magnetic field. Hubble's ultraviolet instruments captured swirling curtains of light dancing across Jupiter's upper atmosphere, offering insights into how magnetic storms unfold on a world more than 300 times Earth's mass. But among Jupiter's many moons, Europa remains one of the most tantalizing. Beneath its frozen surface lies a global ocean containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Hubble played a crucial role in revealing this world's potential habitability. Several times, the telescope detected faint plumes of water vapor erupting through cracks in Europa's icy crust, potentially carrying material from the subsurface ocean into space. Chemical clues obtained from these observations, including traces of sodium chloride, hinted that Europa's ocean might be similar to the saltwater seas on Earth. If true, the Moon could possess the chemical ingredients and energy sources necessary to support microbial life. Hubble's findings have guided future missions, including NASA's Europa Clipper, which aims to investigate this frozen ocean world up close. Even after the Cassini mission ended in 2017, Hubble continued to monitor Saturn, tracking changes in the planet's atmospheric bands and observing seasonal transformations in its famous rings. Saturn's weather patterns shift over long cycles, making Hubble's decades-long record extremely valuable. The telescope has captured the formation of massive storms, the fading of long-standing atmospheric features, and variations in ring brightness caused by the planet's changing tilt. Hubble also turned its attention to Uranus and Neptune, two distant ice giants visited only once by Voyager 2 in the late 20th century. Over the years, Hubble has revealed swirling storms, bright methane clouds, and unexpected temperature variations across their atmospheres. These slow-changing, distant worlds require long-term study to understand their seasonal cycles, which last decades or even centuries. Without Hubble, much of this evolving behavior would remain completely unknown. Over more than 30 years of continuous operation, the Hubble Space Telescope has transformed from a single-purpose observatory into one of the most versatile scientific instruments ever built. Its discoveries span virtually every corner of astronomy, from the birth of stars to the expansion of the universe, from exoplanets to black holes, from our own moon to the edge of the observable cosmos. Even now, with new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope working alongside it, Hubble continues to return invaluable data. Engineers expect that with careful maintenance and smart adjustments to its remaining systems, Hubble may continue functioning well into the 2040s. The universe is vast, unpredictable, and full of secrets, yet Hubble has shown us that even familiar worlds can surprise us when observed with patience and precision. Decades of images and data have revealed a solar system alive with change, storms that span continents, moons tearing themselves apart, volcanoes erupting on distant worlds, and oceans hidden beneath icy surfaces. Each time Hubble turns its gaze toward a new target, it brings the possibility of discovery. After years of exploring the cosmos, one truth stands out above all: the universe is never still. It whispers, transforms, erupts, and evolves. Through Hubble's steady watch, humanity has learned to listen.